Hello, welcome to Take a Step to a Better. In this video, we are continuing recording videos on maybe YouTube, on TikTok, or maybe you're using this information to be building something else, content, but it's for content creators. It's for you if you're just starting out online recording videos. This is video number 3. I already recorded 2 videos, and this is a continuation. So I'm putting them in a playlist. So all you have to do is go back and see what I said you should record in. You say number 1, video number 1, starting out online. Number 2, now we are now video number 3. If you're seeing me for the very first time, my name is Sherifa Nakalema. I'm a business owner in Virginia, USA, and I'm so excited about affiliate marketing. Recently, high-ticket affiliate marketing. That's what I talk about here. But in these videos, we are sharing what I'm learning. Actually, this course, the Brian Brewer's 90 minutes free affiliate course, that's where I'm learning these tips. What do you say when you first come out? Okay, when you are starting as an affiliate marketer? I think going forward this time, I'm going to assume that the person using this knowledge is doing affiliate marketing or promoting a product online, okay? You could be doing something else. You see how it could be relevant. So in video, if all this I'm doing here sounds interesting, please consider subscribing to my channel and also adding a comment and sharing and asking other people to come over here. I also include some motivation. The intention is to ask you to take a step to make your life better, make more money, create a business. Freedom is what you want, okay? So video number 1, we're introducing, you just started recording your first video on YouTube or TikTok, and you say, I did it, finally I did it. Now, video number 2 was about you introducing yourself to the audience. Now, in more detail, what is it? Why? Why did you choose to come online? Why did you choose to do this? Say something about yourself in more detail. Now we're on video number 3. Video number 3 now, you're going to explain what this is. What is affiliate marketing? And according to Brian, now I'm going to refer to the notes. Remember, he said hook, story, call to action. That's the format. In the previous videos, I mentioned it, the format you record the videos. You have to have something that stops the scrolling, like stop someone. Or if it's on YouTube, what do they see that makes them click on your video? That's called the hook, or it could be a thumbnail, but what you say, the first word you say, right? So in this one, because you are now introducing affiliate marketing or whatever else you are promoting, but I'm going to assume affiliate marketer for this channel. You're going to say in the hook that you're going to explain what affiliate marketing is to them. And for this one, I want you, when you're recording this, assuming you're going to be inside this course that we're doing, it's in the free course. Brian's free course. That's where you're going to, he's explaining what affiliate marketing is. So he said that when you start, there is a hook, you are saying, you're explaining affiliate marketing to them in plain English. The story part, you're going to start like this. This is what it's not. Affiliate marketing is not MLM. And affiliate marketing is not network marketing. I'll add that. That's me. He didn't put it there. And then you say, it's kind of like. For example, I say, it's kind of like a car sales agent. They sell the car, but it's not their car. Or something you like, maybe you ordered something on Amazon.com and you liked it so much, you call your friend, they say, wow, this is great. That's affiliate marketing. Only this time, as you're saying this is great, you signed up to promote it, you have a link, and as people buy, you get a commission. Sometimes just people adding, doing some other action, like adding their email. So that's all you share, and that's the story. Okay, that's the story part. And then the call to action, you're going to say to them, please follow, please subscribe, like that. That's your video number 3. But the details in the middle, you're going to get them from the course. That's where you get how to define affiliate marketing, how to explain it. If you're not so sure what to use, you get insight. So if this sounds like useful information, please come join us. The link below takes you to the free course. You can come learn what we are learning. Like I always end these, I say, take very good care of yourself, take very good care of your families, take very good care of your health. I'll be recording video number 4. Remember, there are 17. These are ideas what to say in your video. Okay? Thank you. Add a comment for me, like it, share it. But most importantly, if you want to learn this stuff, come join us in the free course. The link is below. You're going to add your email and I'll show you how to get to this training, okay? Bye-bye.